This is a 1963 Corvair Rampside. In 2006 it was restored. It's 2017 now, and the car has held up very well over those years. I do want to point out a few chips that happened in the paint. These were due to accidents. This is the main door that gets used, and at some point the seatbelt was between the fender and the door got closed and chipped the paint here. So that would need to be painted. And as well, on the same fender, this truck was stored with a full tank one winter, and with temperature changes the gas expands and contracts a little bit, and it was enough to make a small leak of gas that dribbled out and onto the fender here and stripped the paint. But there's no rust on the truck after 9 years. 9 years after the restoration, there's no bubbling. There's no flaws in the restoration itself. And I'm going to show the underneath of the truck as well. This vehicle has been completely disassembled, and every structural part of the truck and every individual part of the truck was stripped down to bare metal, repaired, rebuilt in some cases with metal, and then Rust-Oleumed and coated with epoxy and painted. So it's a very sound restoration on this truck, and I think it's the reason why it's held up very well in those years. It's a humid day today, hot and humid, and I just took the truck out of the garage, so there's a little bit of moisture condensation underneath in some spots. Okay, now we'll take a look from the side, going back and forth underneath. And now we'll take a look from the back. Okay, that's it. All around the Rampside.